Ginger and turmeric, two powerful ingredients that have been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Combined, they create a tea that not only warms you up but offers a world of health benefits. So today, let's explore what makes ginger turmeric tea so special, the health perks it brings, and how you can easily make it at home. Alright, let's start with ginger. It's not just for adding a spicy kick to your meals. This root has been used for centuries as a natural remedy, especially for things like nausea and indigestion. Plus, it's known for its anti-inflammatory properties. And then we have turmeric, a bright yellow spice that's famous in the health world, mainly because of the curcumin, its star compound. Curcumin has been studied for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits, making it a favorite for those looking to boost their immune system or reduce joint pain. But here is the thing, when you put ginger and turmeric together, their benefits actually complement each other, and you end up with a tea that's not only delicious but incredibly good for you. One of the biggest benefits of this tea is its anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is linked to a wide range of health issues, from joint pain to heart disease. The curcumin in turmeric, along with ginger's natural anti-inflammatory properties, helps combat inflammation, making this tea an excellent choice if you are looking to ease stiffness or discomfort. Next benefit for this combination is digestion. If you ever had an upset stomach or a bit of bloating, ginger turmeric tea could be the gentle relief you are looking for. The ginger works to soothe the digestive tract, while turmeric can reduce any inflammation that might be causing discomfort. Plus, sipping on warm tea itself can relax the stomach lining, which is always a bonus. We all want to keep our immune system strong, right? And ginger turmeric tea has your back on that front too. Ginger contains compounds that help to fight off bacteria, while turmeric, with its antioxidant, protect yourself from damage. So especially during flu season, or if you are just feeling a bit run down, this tea can give you that extra layer of defense. Curcumin in turmeric has shown potential in supporting brain health by crossing the blood-brain barrier and possibly reducing the risk of age-related mental decline. Ginger also has compounds that are known to support cognitive function, so sipping on this tea could benefit both your body and your mind. Both ginger and turmeric contain antioxidants that help combat free radicals, which can contribute to premature aging and skin issues. By reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, this tea can add a glow to your skin from the inside out. Now let's talk about your heart health. Studies have shown that both ginger and turmeric may help reduce cholesterol levels and improve circulation. This tea could be a great addition to your routine if you are looking to keep your heart happy and healthy over the long term. Wondering when's the best time to drink it? Ginger turmeric tea can be enjoyed at any time, but it's especially great in the morning for a refreshing start, or at the night to wind down. Drinking it daily or a few times a week can help you enjoy all the health benefits we talked about. Now, before you dive into making this every day, a quick note of caution. While ginger turmeric tea is safe for most people, those with certain conditions might want to be careful. For example, if you are on blood thinners, talk to a healthcare professional, as both ginger and turmeric can have a mild blood thinning effect. And if you have acid reflux, the ginger might be a bit too strong. Always listen to your body and consult a healthcare provider if you are unsure. Alright, now you know the benefits and who should avoid ginger turmeric tea, and if you want to make it, to make sure you make it the correct way. I made my ginger turmeric tea few days ago. I'll put the link in the description and at the end of this video. Go check it out and let me know in the comments if you do give this tea a try. Here is to health, one cup at a time.